Hey there, are you having trouble with adding your card to Cash App? Worry not, as today's guide will walk you through how to fix card not adding to Cash App. Cash App is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that makes transactions quick and convenient. However, adding your card to the app can sometimes pose challenges. Whether you're dealing with verification issues or technical glitches, we've got the steps you need to overcome these obstacles. Step 1. Check for compatibility and update the app. First, ensure your card is compatible with Cash App. Most major cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover are supported. However, if your card is a prepaid or gift card, it may not be eligible. Next, make sure your Cash App is up to date. Outdated versions can cause bugs and hinder functionality. Visit your App Store and update to the latest version to enjoy the full features and seamless performance of Cash App. Step 2. Verify internet connection. An unstable internet connection could be the culprit behind the card addition issues. Verify that your device is connected to a reliable network, whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your connection is weak or intermittent, try restarting your router or switching to a different network to stabilize your internet before attempting to add your card to Cash App again. Step 3. Double-check card information. Entering your card information incorrectly is a common mistake. Ensure you input the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address exactly as they appear on your card. Small typos or discrepancies can cause the system to reject your card. Take a moment to carefully review all the details and correct any errors before resubmitting the information. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Sometimes residual data can interfere with Cash App's performance. Clear the app cache and data to eliminate any temporary files or corrupted data that might be causing the problem. On Android, navigate to Settings, Apps, Cash App, Storage, and then Clear Cache and Data. For iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Don't forget to log back in afterward. Step 5. Contact card issuer and Cash App support. If the problem persists, it might be time to reach out to your card issuer. Verify that your card isn't flagged for any issues or fraud alerts that could prevent it from being added. Simultaneously, contact Cash App support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance tailored to your account and help resolve the issue. Step 6. Look out for future updates. Cash App frequently updates its system to improve functionality and address user concerns. Keep an eye out for announcements or updates that might offer solutions or enhancements. Regularly updating your app and staying informed ensures that you don't miss new features or bug fixes that could resolve your card addition difficulties. While encountering problems when trying to add your card to Cash App can be frustrating, following these steps can help you address and resolve them effectively. From ensuring compatibility and correcting data entry errors to clearing cache and seeking external support, there's a solution for everyone facing this hurdle. Remember to approach each step methodically, ensuring you don't overlook any potential issues. By doing so, you can enjoy the convenience of Cash App without the stress of technical difficulties. Good luck, and may you have smooth transactions ahead.